Okay, okay. Well, hi everyone. My name is River. I've been doing web development for many years. In fact, I do it for a living. But I've been thinking about it a lot and wanted to try something different. So, as you can see here, we've got a quite a basic editor and rather quirky browser, old looking, but uh, it will do just fine. Um, so during the day job, I use these fancy frameworks and libraries and everything. You can't just start like open an editor and start writing code. You have to like use this Vue, full stack, React, Laravel, PHP, all this stuff. And I feel like web should not be this complicated. And this is going to be like a little fun project where I sort of return back to basics, revisit it, and maybe get some insights. Um, Hi Delis, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream, first time chat. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna be doing some web development here. Um, yeah. By the way, is the volume levels all right? Haven't done this in a while. Uh, yeah, hopefully it works. Um, what was I saying? Yeah, so the simple website. This is my personal one. I haven't yet published it like a link to LinkedIn because I want to still be hired sometime. But yeah, for this kind of basic setup, good audio is so okay too. I think that's what you ask. I don't have headphones. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm glad you're doing well. It's just 2 days left, maybe even one day until the weekend. So yeah. So here's quite a basic setup. This is just HTML. Your usual HTML starting and closing tags. Head with only the title of the page. Also the content without any sort of sectioning going on. Hi Jasper, how are you doing? Welcome to this silly coding development thing. Yeah. Right. So, yeah, I don't have any prepared plan for what this is going to be. I guess we'll try improving it bit by bit and see where it goes. So, any suggestions, comments, critics are very much welcome. Hi Ellie, how are you? I think the first thing we will need to do is to add this magical sort of viewport tag for our page to be like palatable not only on desktops but also in on the mobiles. I cannot recall what it's written like off the top of my head, so I'll be googling here. I remember it's called Meta Viewport, something like this. Made some mushrooms cooked with a third of bottle of hot sauce. third of a bottle sounds like a lot. I would probably not make it. Yeah. How did it turn out? Did you like it? Habanero sauce too. I've never heard of that. Is it like the spiciest kind of sauce? And I cannot copy and paste. So this is how it's gonna be. Alright. I can type, no problem. Meta name equals viewport. Content equals width equals device width. Initial scale is 1.0 quotes, and we should be good. Also mushrooms of pain, they're way spicier. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've heard they were saying if like there are such spicy options out there that if you like eat a tablespoon of it, you're gonna go to the ambulance. Yeah, so I'm kind of worried about trying the spicy stuff. Yeah. Hopefully it still works. Yeah. Is it loading the right thing? Let's add a little emoji here. Let's see. Yeah, that's the right page. Okay. Small improvement here. I have quite some resistance. Yeah. Good for you. I suppose this is something that comes with experience and practice. Okay, let's get this under a what's called header tag, I think. Since this is at the top of the page, and this is probably going to be main content as well, and I type mail. Perfect. You know what? I'm not sure about all this semantic markup stuff. We didn't used to do it back in the day. I'm not sure. You know what? That feels extraneous. I'm removing it. I'm removing everything I don't fully understand. Don't tell it to my manager, please. Okay. One thing with more experience, comes more hit points. Oh yeah. Are there kind of buffs you can also take, like positive sort of enhancements that improve your resistance, or something like that? Something you can eat to make the spicy stuff easier. One thing I wanted to do is to publish the art that I've commissioned. So I'll create a section called art, and we'll have to go through my home folder to see if there's anything there. Okay, nothing in the furry folder. That's weird. Documents, maybe? And that's immigration stuff. There we go, furry. I've got a reference sheet. Oh goodness, it's what? I've lost a reference sheet. Holy crap. Okay, I can re-download it from my Mastodon. That's okay, that's alright. Give me one moment. Okay, I will save this image as to the temporary disk. I'll create images folder, and that would be ref.png. Okay, we should have this now here. Okay, that's good. I'll create a paragraph. These are pieces of art that I have commissioned for time from various artists. Some call to action is likely needed. Go get them out. I greatly appreciate it, and we can do construction here, probably. That would be unsourced at least. I think for now I'm going to just link li link a bunch of files, and later on we can create like a separate page. No need for that right now. So here is sheet, and I better add the artist's name here as well. Can I rename it? Yes, I can. Okay. PNG. That's. Oh, goodness! What I'm doing? What am I doing? I mentioned we'll do links and a href, and I'm trying to make an image instead. Reference paper, my persona, how much is it? 37 KB. And I'll look them up. Remember that was on Fever. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know they were from France. Neat. This is gonna be a link as well. href equals this. I also remember there are some additional attributes to sort of signify what kind of link this is. For example, for your Mastodon profile, you can add rel equals me, and that would be your verified badge under the link section. But yeah, we can look it up later. For now, let's see how it looks. No errors. We've got a link here. Let's try. Oh, that opens nicely. Hello. All right. Does the search work here? Let's see. CSS. No, it's too early for CSS. We anchor. What do you say? Nothing happens. That's not good. I mean, anchor HTML. We can do this instead. Okay. Okay, tips and notes. Browser support.
Here we go.
Pin for policy rel. There we go. Specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked document. I think this is what we need. If we could find the detailed descriptions of what it means, that would be awesome. Yeah, so for external links, we'll say it's what's that? Alternate no, author no, bookmark. External sounds like something close to what we need. It indicates that the reference document is not part but the same side. Yeah, no follow unendorsed document like a paid link. I would say linking an artist is endorsement, so this might be a positive. Makes the refer and no refer header will be included. Yeah, probably these two. Yeah, no opener, no refer, and external, I guess. Let's have all three. External, no opener, no refer. Okay, and yeah, do we have anything else here? Target, blank parent self top. Yeah, we don't really need this. And for type, if you have a rel.me href element and you post it on Mastodon, it says that it's verified as your web page on Mastodon. Yeah, I think it works like this with other implementations as well. Sharky would be another example. Go to social. Yeah, that's quite nice. You really don't have to pay what's like $10 or more. As on Twitter X, how much do they ask currently? I'm not sure, but the internet media type of the linked document. Look at media types for a list of standard media types. Let's go ahead and see if. Oh goodness. That's a lot of. Stuff. Oh, okay. We can say it's type equals. What was it? PNG. HJK PNG. Image PNG. I forgot I cannot copy and paste image PNG. Yeah, the thing is that the browser is actually running in WSL, and the editor is on the host Windows operating system. So
Oh goodness. Is now better? I I feel like it should be better. Hello. Meow. Meow. One, two, three. Yay, now it works. Thank you, Delis. I didn't notice it went out. Yeah, wondering why it could have happened. Maybe I bumped it or something. Yeah, good. What was I on about? Oh yeah, should I name it avatar, headshot, or portrait? I feel like portrait is more neutral because headshot is something else in your like gamer first-person shooter world. Not found. Excellent. Okay, today is going to be fun. Now, yay, it works. Okay, and this link should be working as well. I mentioned. Oh, it actually looks quite nice with it, like images and CSS and everything going on. That's nice. Yep, anyway, we are kind of done, I think, with furry art of mine. I have some pieces from like the previous characters that I had, but I don't know if that's really important to upload now or not. Yeah, yeah. Let's probably move on to the art section of like my own. I'll call this furry as a section name. Um. Okay. So I think last week I published a post on Mastodon Fediverse that I'll be selling some physical art, those are keychains, paw painted, and yeah, actually, somebody bought not a keychain but like a small square canvas with a character. Um, I'm so grateful and happy about this. So I think I should mention other things here probably, or like a link to another store would be sufficient. I don't know. Feels like it should be rather a gallery than just a bunch of links like this. Yeah. Is it time to create another page? I think like it's a large undertaking. So probably what we should do is add some styling. Guess. Meow. Styling. Um. Okay. We've got ourselves headers, some lists, links, and an image even. So I think it works as it is, but I think styles will have like a white background, black text, and your like default appearance. I'd love a dark mode, so let us try implementing that. And I'm also thinking about fonts as well. Okay, let's add a new file, call it styles CSS. Should it be plural or singular? Styles. In a way that name is weird because we have style dot cascading style sheets. Let's call it ooh, why not? Because yeah, why not? No. To make everything to reference the page, we can do either body, I think, or use the pseudo element root. I'm not sure if that's how it works, but let's try and see that's the case. And of course I have to link that style sheet here as well. Style sheet. I think that's how it works. Style sheet href, or is it src? I'm not sure. CSS. Nope. Okay, go, here I come. Okay, link rl style sheet. Okay. That's how I href equals CSS. Yeah, that should work. I guess this is not right. Let's replace it with body and see if it makes a difference. Nope. Use remove CSS. Use embedded CSS. No errors here. Oh, we ran into the first issue. Style sheets. Yeah, they have it. But not really. Oh, now it's working. I'm wondering if root is the proper thing. CSS root. Images. The root element of a tree represented in document applied to HTML. Root represents the element and is identical to the selector HTML, except that its specificity is higher. That means the colon root should work the same as HTML, right? If I reload this. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, that's not working. Probably this is the browser's behavior. I'll leave that HTML for now. For font, I remember there was a system default font. This, I'm not sure. Will it open? Will it not? Okay, font selection is important. How to specify the system defaults, serif and sans serif. I don't think Stack Overflow will open, will it? Let's I'm gonna switch to that. Maybe here we'll learn more. Family, Wikipedia. Oh, Wikipedia. Font name, family name, generic fonts. Typography. System UI, the font font so give its system. The purpose of this option is to allow web content to integrate with the look and feel of the native OS. So that's what we need, system UI. System UI. That's everything we need to do. Is it system UI already, or is it the cached? I'm so sorry. Like keeps using this old style shit. Okay, that's not very convenient. Learning as you go, I haven't touched HTML since college years. I think HTML was something I did first as like an extra project in university on like first course, and yeah, that was sort of like a gateway to meeting other people on the same. I'm struggling with English, so sorry. With the same profession as myself. Yeah. So that's good memories as well. I wonder if we can kind of disable cache here, because I'm like minutes away from switching to another browser if that's not the case. Oh no. I mean, I can do this, then do this, and then reload. Oh well. Okay. Let's read up on what's it called? Preferred color scheme CSS, I guess. Prefers color scheme. I think that's what we need. Apart from choosing the colors themselves. I mean, we can do like black and white, white, black, and then tune things to our taste later on. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this. Oh goodness. How long did it take for me to give up? Like 40 minutes ish. Okay, and I'll make it roughly the same size as these browsers so that it kind of keeps the same. Okay, and I'm going to switch here to the other browser like this. Okay, it didn't go well, but yeah, that looks about right. Okay, I'm done with that browser. Sorry browser, you're cool, but that's too much. That's just too much. Okay. And this, yeah, that is much better. That is much better. Okay. Now we wait until I give up once more and switch to WebStorm. Yeah. So prefers color scheme, and here we can see all my search history, E621 and stuffs. Yeah, but we won't talk about this. Sorry. Okay, is this what we need? CSS media feature used to defect if a user has requested light or dark color schemes. User indicates a preference for an operating system setting or a user agent setting. Okay, give me examples. Oh, that might work. So this well, some I would say it will have a default scheme, sort of. Let's say it's dark, and then if the preference is light, we'll do like another one. Okay. Let's say background color is black, color is white, and this should change things a little bit. Yes, it did. And then I can copy and paste. If the preferred color scheme is light, then we'll have the other colors. White and black. I think this should do. Okay, and now we can use this, I think. Light color scheme, dark, light. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, we'll have to adjust some colors and oh, and I think there is a catch. There is a catch. If we do the simulation sort of thing, our page will flicker, I suppose. Nope. Will it? Will it not? Disable cache. How do I need to reverse mode? Interesting. Edit those. Oh, I've noticed it doesn't load its CSS file. I wonder why. This is not the thing I need. I guess the reason is that this is not really a network kind of request. Do we need an HTTP server for that to work? Let's see. FMJS.com. Static file server GCP and serve. Does it have npx interface? No, it does not, but we can do this. Okay, I can do this. That would be, I'll need a terminal and say npm install global serve. What disk is this? D. What's that? Serve. Dot. And which port is this? 300. Oh, 3000. Nope. Did it work? L 621. Come on. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working as it should. Well, I guess the port number was the reason after all. We'll enable throttling and we'll see how it loads. Okay, and if I want a dark color scheme, there we go. There's our blinking, flashing kind of situation. Noise indeed. I know that one workaround for this is to inline the default style into that page itself. Probably only colors can go there. That way it will be parsed first, and I think we can even leave them down at the bottom. Style, color black, color white, and close the tag. Yeah, like this. and this file is saved as well, so now we shouldn't have this problem. Nope, we still do. Why is that? Something is not working. Yeah, because I have to say that it's... I forgot the selector. It's HTML. Okay, now it should work properly. Yeah, and when we refresh, it works. Okay, now we have dark color scheme, which is nice. Okay, let us try to maybe play with the colors a little bit, kind of like what was it, the color scheme of this Mastodon client. What name was it? I should just look it up. Mastodon clients. It had a funny name. I don't remember which one. It was a web. Yeah, Semaphore social, and I cannot change the color scheme unless I'm logged in. I can do this. That would be if.line. Password. Yes, please. Now we can grab the colors that we need. This is quite readable, my taste. So let's pick some posts, maybe. Fairly reasonable even on like mobile sites. I mean, but the colors is what interests me in particular. Let's put on the bottom. Can I do this? Yes, I can. So that would be our background color. That's just my that's my it's nice to see a stream to plan on to do it on a kind of regular basis. I mean, streaming what I do, even though it's not like really like fancy stuff, but like they show in movies, hackers in hoodies match the keyboard and then Pentagon or something gets hacked, but it kind of gives me accountability and time to actually sit and do stuff. So yeah, I'll probably do it more regularly, maybe like once a week at first, but we'll see how it goes. White, and I will grab links as well because we'll definitely need those. I'll leave them here, I think. Link is grab the hex color for this. Yes. things. I see, of course, take time you need. Just being curious because that's the first time that I see you streaming. Yeah, I think you the least have been subscribed to myself for quite a while, but yeah, just I don't know why I didn't do it. Guess it was not really the right time yet. But yeah, okay, we have this, and we have this, and now we should have these links the proper color. I can turn off this network funding. Okay, we have links now. They're kind of the same color as the rest of it, so not ideal, but yes, it's something. Okay, and in terms of light colors, fair, oh indeed. Default light, let's see. Maybe this is kind of red. Looks kind of nice. Or maybe not. What else? Seafoam. That reminds me of like older Windows 95, and I think Millennium still had it, where you could choose from a variety of colors of how to color or kind of UI color should have. That was not a very good sentence. Hot pants. Token, Majestic, Echo, Grayscale, Light. If we these are gonna be the links not too contrasty, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, Seafoam looks kind of calm. Yeah, let's see. This is... Oh no, I thought this is black, but this is actually not really black. 51, 51, 51. Let's see. 51, 33, 33, 33. So that's our foreground color. Yeah, I'm using short code sort of here instead of the proper long version of that color. And for background, I think we can take this 7, and the links would be 23, 51, 28. Okay. Next number, decimal. Okay, we should be good now. Oval. Okay, that's our dark scheme. This is our light scheme. Oh no! What have I done? What's going on? So this is dark scheme. It works well. This is the light scheme, and why is it not working? I mean, the color of the links change, but not this. I don't know. Oh, we'll have to read more on this, I guess. my intuition tells me this is something to do with the specificity sort of thing. Because we define these colors right here in the style, and maybe it has a higher priority. No thanks. But let's see. Learning and request time, dark mode in practice. Loading. Oh, that's interesting style. Generic rules, dark, only dark mode, light for the light mode. Okay, noted. We can do this. Conditionally link media query. Not all browsers will support. Link rule style shade. To avoid the flash of the style content and heavy content on the page until CSS has loaded. I don't like this, honestly. Like this will likely require like JavaScript, which we don't have yet. We have not invented JavaScript, but what if I said this is how it works? Root over here. Nope, still doing this thing. Okay, time to debug, I guess. And then compute it. So mistake. Oh, there was going on. So we have this rule overridden with this one. Interesting. Not sure. Let's Google this right here. Also, override environment CSS. Okay, CSS tricks. These 10 juicy CSS tricks have been around for quite a while now. Okay. We can find this. Oh man, I don't really like it. That's from 2009. Probably not the best. Not the most recent, I mean. Is it the same? That's not the same. Let's see. Important. I mean, we could do important. Nothing but our consciousness stops us from doing this. Yay, that works. But I'm wondering if there is a way to sort of pre-load that style sheet. Preload so that it's preload attribute. Let's see. Preload lets you declare fetch request in HTML's head. Specific resources that page will need very soon, which you want to start loading early in the page lifecycle before the main rendering machinery kicks in. Features available earlier and less likely to block the page's render, improving performance. Even though the name contains term load, it doesn't load and execute script. It only schedules it to be downloaded. It's cached with high priority. The most commonly used to style of it. However, we will use rel preload, which turns links to a preloader for any resource we want. Okay. Oh, this is probably what we want. Let's go ahead and try this. I'll comment this out, and we'll say link rel equals preload, href equals css as style. And let's see if that makes a difference. Oh. We close this tab as we had in the example. Nope. What happened? Let's clear everything and load. Okay, so this loaded first. The response was this. First color scheme light. So it should work. Oh, or should I leave both? I guess I should leave both. Yeah. Interesting. I'll move it down here. And let's see if that makes a difference. Unable to connect. Okay, have. And for this one, I'll try moving it over to the CSS file and see if preload actually deals with the flashing sort of blinking thing as well. I don't think so. Let's see. Nope. Yeah, we'll have to do this with important, I'm afraid. Yeah. The music key is way higher than your voice, by the way. Okay, I can turn down the music a little bit. Is it better now? I'll keep talking for a moment to see if it sounds right. But anyways, yes, okay. Anyway, we've got our color scheme going on, which I'm really happy about, and we've added some links. Right here, I should probably copy this rel stuff as well, and I managed to forget what all that meant, but that's all right. I don't think there was anything special in those. We have alt text here. Yeah, looks like we're in a good place. It oh man, if it's the light color scheme that's preferred, we are doing this blinking thing, but with the dark side, sort of. That's not ideal. That is not ideal, but Should I just move these two definitions over so that it's only links that sort of change their color as the page loads? I don't want to do too much CSS on each and every page, but at the same time, you know, I want it to look nice. So I'll probably just do this. Keeping font here will reduce what's called layout shift when things jump around. And we'll keep this style sheet lighter at least. Okay, the light theme looks alright. And for the dark, yeah, it's acceptable. I mean, at this rate, I can just inline everything and call it packet. I'm doing it. Okay, inline styles, yeah, everything is inline. Well, at least it's not written in the text themselves in the style attribute, so that's at least something positive, I suppose. And we can remove this. How do I remove a file? That was embarrassing, but anyway, let us upload everything to NeoCities and see what it looks like. We'll log in here. Let's remove what's River Fox, and for the password we'll have this thing. Hopefully I won't copy and paste it somewhere. Yeah, so this is how it was before. We spent an hour on this middle thing. I'm gonna hit upload and choose whatever we've been working on with. That's the folder. What was the folder's name? Images, and I am uploading these two files here, and hopefully now we see. Oh yeah, that looks all right. Dark mode, light mode. This loads well. This loads well. We have a link going on here. Oh, okay, that's positive. This website also opens, and I hope these links are working as well. Yes, they are. Yay. Yeah, okay. And this is not really a link, so let's maybe make it one. I'll just wrap this in a anchor tag. Copy and paste this rel thing, and this should be it, right? Close this. I do not need this. Okay, let's test. Let's test this one, and okay, this is our image, and it is a link. All right, that worked. It has this sort of oh, that was just a link. Okay. What I wanted to do is to also see how it looks in how it sounds with a like a text to speech accessibility thing, but I have none set up. So this is what we are going to start with next time. But meanwhile, I'll upload the updated index HTML, and we'll see how we did in terms of like standards, validation, and whatnot. What's this? No 5 icon. Okay, I can live with that. Now what's that? HTML validator online, I guess. There was this. Yeah, I think that's what we need. Verifying you're human. No, please, no. The character encoding was not declared. Proceeding using Windows 12.52. This is not Windows 12.52. How do I do this? There's not encoding. HTML encoding UTF-8. I think that's what we are using now. Meta charset. Okay. I can do this. Meta. Okay, should it be uppercase? I'm not sure. Okay, we can leave it uppercase. Okay, and updating the file. Yeah, unfortunately, I have to do this like this because I don't have the sort of supporters $5 a month subscription with NeoCities. They do have like a command line utility, but I don't have that installed. Yeah, there's our charset. Yeah. Okay. No errors or warnings to show. Yeah. I mean, there was nothing to like make many mistakes, I suppose, but it's still nice to see this green check mark thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a little while. I'm honestly not used to talking that much, so if I was difficult to listen to, I sincerely apologize. It'll get better. It always gets better with time. But yeah, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have joined me today. We're going through some silly HTML programming, HTML programming, I'll call it that. Yeah, thank you, Dalise, Ellie, Dean, and Jasper Fox for your company today, and I hope you all will have a pleasant and wonderful rest of your days. Yeah, see you around. Bye.